1. Hook copying tutorials might feel like a short becoming a cloud engineer, but it's a trap. If you want to build a real career in cloud engineering, you need to go deeper. Let's explore how you can truly master cloud skills. But here's the catch: the cloud isn't just about following steps. It's about understanding concepts, making choices, and solving problems. When you rely solely on tutorials, you miss out on critical thinking and practical experience. You won't learn how to troubleshoot when things go wrong, and you'll struggle when faced with unique challenges. 3. The simple explanation at its core: cloud engineering is about understanding systems. You need to grasp how cloud services interact, how to secure them, and how to optimize performance. Learning through tutorials is like memorizing lines in a play. You might know the lines, but you won't understand the story or your character's motivations. To truly learn, you must engage with the material. This means trying things out, breaking them, and figuring out how to fix them. It's about building a foundation that you can adapt to your needs. 4. Real-world example: let's look at a startup that faced a cloud challenge. They were using AWS to host their applications. Initially, they followed a tutorial to set up an EC2 instance and a database. Everything looked good, until they launched the product. On launch day, their application crashed. They had a surge of traffic, over 5,000 users in the first hour. Their EC2 instance couldn't handle the load. It was set to a T2 microtype with only 1 GB of RAM. Because they didn't understand scaling, the app went down. They lost potential customers and faced a bad reputation before they even got started. Eventually, they had to switch to an M5 large instance, costing over $70 a month instead of $10. They also implemented auto-scaling, but only after the fact. If they had engaged with the material, they could have anticipated and planned for this growth. 5. What to do instead of just copying tutorials. Here's a step-by-step framework to build your skills. Step 1. Understand basic concepts: compute, storage, networking. Familiarize yourself with key terms like availability zones, regions, and VPCs. Step 2. Experiment. Create a free tier account with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. A simple website or a database. Try to configure different settings and observe the outcomes. Step 3. Break things deliberately. Intentionally misconfigure your setup. What happens? Try to solve the issues without looking up the answers. This builds problem-solving skills. Step 4. Study real-world cases. Read case studies or postmortems on cloud incidents. Understand what went wrong and how it was fixed. Step 5. Join a community. Participate in forums like Stack Overflow or Reddit. Ask questions and share your experiences. Engage with others who are learning. Step 6. Build a portfolio. Document your projects, challenges, and solutions. Showcase your understanding and problem-solving skills. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Over-reliance on tutorials. Fix. Use tutorials as guides, not crutches. Always seek to understand the why behind each step. Mistake 2. Ignoring cost management. Fix. Set a budget. Use cost calculators to estimate expenses and monitor your usage. Mistake 3. Skipping security measures. Fix. Always configure security groups and IAM roles. Understand the principle of least privilege. Mistake 4. Neglecting documentation. Fix. Always document your process and decisions. This helps in troubleshooting later. Mistake 5. Avoiding the command line. Fix. Get comfortable with the command line interface. Many cloud tasks can be automated through it. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to help you stay on track, understand core cloud concepts. Create a free tier cloud account. Break and fix things intentionally. Join cloud communities. Build and document your projects. 8. Summary plus CTA. Copying tutorials won't make you a cloud engineer. Instead, focus on understanding the concepts, experimenting, and engaging with the community. Remember, the best learning comes from solving real problems. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment with your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into becoming a cloud professional. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost.